This storage building was so easy to assemble that thankfully they didn't need my help, and it only took just a few hours to put it together. And these things are designed that almost any homeowner that will read the instructions and have just a few basic tools can assemble this. And look what you end up with, a fairly sizable space here, plenty large enough for a lawnmower, shovels, rakes, and this particular one has a number of accessories that makes it even better to store as much as you can in here, just like the shelving unit that assembles very easily and goes right into pre-drilled holes. You have this, and you have a few hooks over on this side. It makes a lot of sense. Now, another thing that's very important is to get a little natural light in to the storage room. You have a window here, and this particular one also offers a little ventilation by raising up, and we also have a vent on either end of the storage building. And that's real important because this can get really stuffy in here. Natural light, though, is important, having the window, and this particular one has 4 skylights at the top, because most of the time you'll have a storage building that's positioned a fair distance away from the house, and that makes it very hard to get electricity to it and providing artificial light. This particular one actually has a battery-operated push light that'll provide a little illumination inside if you have to come out to your storage building in the middle of the night to retrieve something. Now, this is one option for storage around your home. Of course, you can also buy a storage building that's completely built, and then they can bring it in on a trailer, but you need to make sure that you can get in and out of your backyard easily, or they can bring it in prefab panels and put it all together. But the one piece of information you need to make sure that you know about is how far you have to set back the building off your property line. Some cities will require 10 feet, some 15 feet, some more than that. Also, you need to check with your neighborhood restrictions to see if they require a particular type or style of building, or if they'll let you have a storage building at all.